how the industrial socket looks like. Okay, this is the male one. This is how it looks like, and this is the female one. It looks like that. So when you want to connect, it's here. So you connect the life here. The neutral, as always, it's not marked. The earth, it's marked. The same with the male one. This is the male one. The male one is, there is life and earth, so neutral is not always labeled. So automatically you know the neutral is supposed to be placed here. Wait for the connect, guys. So guys, we need to replace this cooker socket. You see the way it has been damaged, so we need to replace it with the industrial socket, which is this one here. So it can sustain the machine that is cooking the fries. So this is this cooker socket. Look at this.